madali dahil specialized field siya. And neurophysiology field. So we're dealing with the brain. Hello everyone! Kumusta po kayong lahat? Sana ay okay kayo. Today is 10th of September 2025 at ang time ay 6:20. Ayan. 6:20. Ayan, nandito si Daddy. Ang aga natin ngayon, guys. And si Baby. Ayan siya. So, ngayong araw tayo ay officially back at work. Back to business. And first day at work, I'm going to a conference sa London. So, samahan niyo ako dahil we are back at work after more than 1 year. So, first day is a conference day in London. And today and tomorrow, so maaga tayo. It's difficult, but we are up for it. Isn't it, Daddy? Yeah. Daddy woke up so early today. And Aliyah. Yeah, so I'll take you with me, guys, to London. Yes, andito na tayo sa London. Whew, medyo malamig. So, in front of me is London Eye. Delayed yung train natin. So, oh my. Asan na tayo? 15 minutes yung walk natin. So, let's go, guys. Hello! 11th of September. It's second day of my conference in London. So time check is 6:22. Today is slightly better weather, no? Babe, you see. It's going to be sunny. Sunny day, but it's slightly windy today. But no rain. Yesterday, super it's pouring. Especially in London. Like, para akong basang sisiw kahapon. So, I was like a drowned chick. Drowned chick? Here's Daddy. He's dropping me off. And Aliyah is awake. Half awake. Half asleep. So, it's still slightly dark. Don't know if you can see. So, since I know where to go now, and I don't need to rush to find the place, I'm more relaxed. So, I can just go and walk to the venue. So, it's like 20 minutes walk, no, from Waterloo Station. Yes, it's nice walk because you see the tourist spot, which is the Big Ben House of Parliament and London Eye. Yan. So, yes, let's go. I hope I can get my coffee before the train arrives. Can I?
Did you make it yesterday?
No, yeah. I had a bit of time.
There you go. We left at the same time as yesterday. So you have time.
Yeah, so I'll have time. But the train was there already. We didn't know if it was our train because it was always early. Because I think that train is Salisbury is the first stop.
On platform 3.
Yeah. So let's go to London. And Daddy is dropping off Aliyah. Oh, I didn't mention to you yesterday. Aliyah came home early. So they asked Daddy to drop her off. I asked Dad to drop her off, and then they asked him to pick her up because meron siyang temperature. She had temperature 38 degrees and she was crying. So she's not happy. So Andy had to pick her up. It's good that Andy is working from home. And then Mom came around to help Andy look after Aliyah. And then Mom left when I arrived from London. So
she
yeah.
helped look after Aliyah, because later on you'll see we'll have to wake Aliyah up and bring her with us to go and pick Mum up. So
yeah. So hopefully today is better, no? For the nursery. Yeah. Cross fingers for Andy. Because I'm away, so yeah, hopefully.
It's difficult to work while looking after her.
Yeah, I know. I can imagine. Because with me, I had to obviously keep an eye on her all the time. But you have to do both. Sure. nandito na tayo ngayon sa London. So, naglalakad tayo. Medyo mahangin pero maaraw. Pakita ko sa inyo yung view going to the venue. Yan, yung famous na London Big Ben. And Parliament House. Yan, dyan yung Parliament House. House of Parliament pala. Parliament House. Tapos ito ang Thames River. Very famous sa London ang landmark na ito. Ayan. Ngayong araw, may conference ulit tayo. At professional conference. So meaning mga doctors, scientists ang mga kasama ko doon. So let's go, another day of learning. So nakita ko yung mga boss ko kahapon from the Philippines. So andun din sila. It feels so great to see them. Kasi sila yung nag-train sa akin sa aking career as a clinical physiologist. So, akyatin natin, by the way guys, akyatin natin yung bridge na yan. And then we cross that bridge. Yan. Anyway, so, kakwentuhan ko kayo on the way there. Yung aking history to share lang sa inyo. So, I graduated. Oh my God, di ko na alam. 2010 sa university as medical technologist. And then, nag-apply ako ng work sa St. Luke's Medical Center sa Quezon City. And then, I was asked to if I want to train sa neurophysiology. And I said, yeah, why not? It's a new pathway, new career, but I've never heard it before. So, wala akong idea kung ano yun. Pero ang hinahire lang nila dun talaga is medtech. Mga medtech yung tinitrain nila. So, sabi ko, okay. So, nung nag-interview ako, which is yung manager ko ang nag-interview sa akin. Ako naman yung napili niya. So, meant to be, diba? Hanggang sa nag-training ako. Siyempre, hindi madali yung training, pero yung mindset ko, I'm willing to learn. Yun. And if I learn, I'll be good at it. Next. Pero hindi ganun kadali dahil specialized field siya. And neurophysiology field. So we're dealing with the brain, the spine, the nerves in the body. So, hindi madali. Pero, worth it. Ayan, ito yung nasa harapan ko pala, guys. Yan yung iconic na red bus. Tapos, ito na yung river. Tsaka yung London Eye. Anyway, back to the story. So, to cut the story short, nag-train ako 2010. Umalis ako ng St. Luke's para mag-apply ng work sa UK 2015. So, I'm now, and then lumipad ako to work here in UK 2015. So, 10 years na ako dito. Since today is 2025. So, it's parang surreal na kasama ko sa conference yung mga taong nagtiwala sa akin at yung mga taong nag-train sa akin. Anyway, tatawid tayo dito, guys. Malapit na tayo sa venue. By the way, bago ako pumunta sa venue, drop off ko muna yung mga pinadala ko sa Pilipinas for my colleagues before na naiwan sa Philippines. So, pinadala ko kay Doktora. And, yun. Tapos, attend na ako ng conference ngayon. Let's go! Guys, so it's the next day and it's my first day sa work ngayon. For in the last 1 year and 1 month, ngayon lang ako ulit babalik fully full time. So, ang hirap. It's Friday today. So, kahapon, meron akong conference and then the other day. So, I was in London. So, medyo maluwag-luwag pa yun. But now, I'm going back to work. As in, I'll see patients. And obviously, I'll do reportings and admin works. It's a new routine for me. Not just for me, but for my family. And also, this week, since Friday, si Aliyah was really ill. So, first week niya sa nursery, but hindi siya nagtatagal sa nursery. Lagi siyang pinapauwi ng teacher. Kasi, may sakit. Meron siyang temperature. Nung isang araw, Wednesday, pinauwi siya kasi 38 degrees yung temperature niya. Mga 12 midday, tinawagan si Andy to pick her up. And then, kahapon din, nasa London ako for the conference. And they said she has a temperature, so you have to pick her up. So, pumunta si Andy. Buti na lang, andyan si mother-in-law. Kasi yung asawa ko, he's also working from home. So, he could pick her up. But, obviously, he has to work. So, yung mother-in-law ko, siya yung pumunta siya dito sa bahay to help Andy for the last 2 days. And then, kagabi, pinastay na namin siya kasi nga I have to work. And kagabi, buong gabi, may lagnat si Aliyah. She has fever. Yung last check namin was 39.4. So today we're going to call the doctor and see what they say. So I'm crossing fingers. Kasi yung last vaccine niya, Friday last week, and it's been a week. And yun lang naman yung ginawa namin. Kung kailan nag-umpisa yung fever niya, and then nag-umpisa yung rashes niya. But anyway, sana gumaling na siya. So, I'm closing this vlog, guys, here. Just had to share that with you. And yeah. Bye, guys! Thank you sa pagsama sa akin, sa aking sa aking journey sa London. And then, thank you sa pakakinig sa aking mga kwento. But anyway, kung nakaabot kayo hanggang sa dulo ng vlog na ito, God bless you. Thank you so much. And maraming balik sa inyo. So, till the next vlog, guys. Bye!